Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and create yourself a Google Meet link in advance. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay we're simply gonna go ahead and step into our video. For the matter, first access a Google Meet on your phone. Once you have access to a particular Google Meet, you're gonna go ahead tap on this not and now first. And here in the section you can find this option called new, right? Go ahead and tap on this new, and now you can see create a new meeting. Go ahead, tap on it afterwards. Now tap on at this OK option. Now it will show you this link, right? What you can do is you can simply join a meeting, you can share as well, or you can simply go ahead tap on this copy, and then you're gonna go back, right? And you can afterwards simply share your particular link to anybody you want right over there, or you can simply go ahead switch to another account as well. Simply leave it, go back, and now you do have that particular link created just now, right? Simply go ahead, you have copied the link as well. Otherwise again you can tap on it and simply tap on this meeting link and simply copy it, and you can go to any official social media platforms and paste that link to them anytime you want, and then they will be able to join with you. That is how you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.